Speech on Pakistan Independence Day. Respected Sir and my compatriots. Our homeland Pakistan is not like other lands of the world, which are inherited by its citizens, but Pakistan is the country, for which Muslims of combined India served their bones as bricks and their blood as water, to set the basis for Pakistan. Only those can judge the true value of this inestimable creation who himself has participated in building this country, and sacrificed his wife, children, sisters, brothers, and all his blood relations. To achieve this sacred land, millions of Muslims met martyrdom. Countless children were killed in front of their mothers. Many virtuous women jumped into wells and canals and cast their lives just to build up Pakistan. Countless children got orphaned and missed their parents for whole their lives. Valleys of Pakistan are containing congruences of paradise. Beautiful green landscapes and spacious farms are spitting the gold. We also see that we are rich in every kind of freedom and facility, but do not ever forget that in making this come true, there is part of the blood of Tipu Sultan, the vision of Sir Syed, and the thoughts of Allama Iqbal, untiring struggles of Quaid-e-Azam and endeavors of many other companions of Jinnah. And everyone was aligned to achieve a single goal, a free and independent Islamic state, Pakistan. The 14th of August 1947 was the auspicious day of Islamic history when Pakistan, the God-gifted country, came into being. The unity of Muslims and the dedication and heartiness of Quaid-e-Azam were the things that paved the way for the creation of this country. The unity of Muslims and the dedication and heartiness of Quaid-e-Azam were the things that paved the way for the creation of this country. Hindus and Britishers deceitfully campaigned and created hindrances against the movement of Pakistan, but Alhamdulillah, Pakistan had to be done. And it appeared on the map of the world. Enemies vigorously ridiculed the demand of Quaid-e-Azam for a separate free land, though the demand of Pakistan was based on right, reality, and truth, and right finally prevails. The reality, it couldn't get acclaimed sooner or later, it is not a reality, but if it does, then that reality is a reality. And all filthy intentions of enemies went in vain before the reality of Pakistan, and today Pakistan is known as one of the great nations in the world. We have to love Pakistan. We admire the founders and the dreamer and thinkers of Pakistan, and we also pray for martyrs who lost their lives in the movement of Pakistan. Those who sacrificed their homes and families against British rulers. They didn't care for their children and accepted the hardships of prison. And finally, when Muslims of Southeast Asia got freedom, right prevailed and falsehood surrendered. And the chains of slavery collapsed. Nature has gifted Pakistan with every kind of wealth and blessing. We have an abundance of streams, rivers, and lakes which are irrigating our lands. We have skillful, lusty, and ambitious Pakistani youths. We have the best in the world Pakistani army and war strategists. Wheat, cotton, oil, and rice, everything is grown in Pakistan and is exported as well. Pakistan has a rich depository of minerals such as salt, coal, kerosene oil, gypsum, and zamarud stones. Research work is in progress, and inshallah there will be a day when we will also be self-sufficient in oil as well. Pakistan is now taking part in international affairs and willing for friendship with its neighbor countries. Pakistan is seeking trading and cultural relationships with other countries. Special settlements are being considered with Islamic countries, and Pakistan is eager to build relationships with any country that is endeavoring for peace and prosperity. Pakistan believes in peace, but still, it is our duty to hold enough strength for defending our motherland. By the grace of Allah, Pakistan is an atomic power today. May Allah make every Pakistani more loving of this country. Ameen.